Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a piece of gear that promises to transform your home recording setup. The Talent VB1 Folding Portable Vocal Microphone Isolation Booth. For anyone serious about their audio, whether you're a podcaster, a singer, or someone who does a lot of voiceover work, achieving that clean, professional sound can be a real challenge, especially when you're not in a perfectly treated studio. That's exactly where the VB1 steps in. This ingenious device is designed to create studio-quality recordings in virtually any room. Its primary function is to act as a virtual sound booth, effectively breaking up room reflections and absorbing ambient noise that can otherwise muddy your recordings. Imagine trying to capture a pristine vocal taken in a room with hard walls. You'd get echoes and unwanted reverb. The VB1 tackles this head-on, providing a focused, isolated environment for your microphone. One of its standout features is the foldable design. This isn't just about portability, though it excels there too. It allows users to adjust their own sound. You can configure it to best suit your microphone and the specific acoustics of your space, giving you a level of control that's often missing from fixed solutions. The construction itself speaks volumes about its quality. It boasts high-quality foam, which is crucial for effective sound absorption, paired with a cool-looking, sturdy metal grille. This combination not only ensures durability, but also gives it a professional aesthetic that wouldn't look out of place in any setup. For podcasters, this means clearer dialogue without the hum of your air conditioner or the echo from your desk. Singers will appreciate the ability to capture raw, uncolored vocals, making post-production much easier and more effective. And for voice recording artists, it's a game changer for delivering consistent, high-fidelity audio, regardless of where they're working. The Talent VB1 truly empowers creators to elevate their sound, turning ordinary rooms into extraordinary recording spaces. It's a testament to thoughtful design, meeting practical needs for anyone looking to achieve that polished, professional audio signature.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.